Here's 5 facts about Percy Spencer accidentally invented the microwave oven. In the 1940s, while working on radar technology, he found a chocolate bar melted in his pocket. Curious about this, he decided to experiment with popcorn and eggs near the radar. To his surprise, they cooked instantly. This led to the discovery of microwave heating, revolutionizing kitchens everywhere. In 1945, he patented the first microwave oven, which was massive and cost a fortune. Today, millions of homes rely on microwaves every day, all thanks to this incredible accident. Percy Spencer turned a radar experiment into a kitchen revolution. If you love amazing inventor stories, like, share, and subscribe.